ang tali nila dati. Ha? Ito yung mga damit ng girls, no? Women's activities. Ito mga, wow, pati yung tsinelas. Ganyan tsinelas nila dati, oh. Ito naman yung damit. Ito yung mga damit ng farm worker, no? Farmers. Ito yung niloloto nilang food. Tapos yung mga activities nila before. Ito yung dentist nila. Ganito dahil ito yung traditional na panggagamot, no? Dito sa Mascot. Ito, traditional na panggagamot. Clinic in Mascot. She trusted as the crucial space development office for assistance to build a clinic in Mascot. Ito yung first clinic ng Mascot. Old school in Mascot. Yun yung old school ng Mascot. Discover the Hajar Mountain. A love story. Western side of Mascot is the White Mountain. On this mountain is an old well of a type called Yazra, with a leather bucket which is lowered and raised to the surface by winch pulled by a cow. Okay. Traditional education in Mascot. Ang cute. Parang ang ganda pakinggan ng pero pag dati siguro pag yung mga ganitong history or nung nandun ka sa time ng mga ganito pero parang nakakatuwa siya. Wadis, local farmers irrigate Mascot. Wow. Yan yung mga desert hair. May fox, Blandford's fox. Blandford fox. May fox din. Yan yung mga animals dito sa Mascot. Conservation of the ecosystem. Ito yung hyena. The straight hyena. Wow. Ang cute tignan pero nakakatakot, diba? May Arabian leopard din dito. Climber approaches prey by stepping in a crouched position. Arabian leopard can be found in rugged mountains where there is permanent water source nearby. Ay, nakakatakot. May leopard. Bathroom, this one? Bathroom daw yan. CR. Guys, sa Mascot, kahit na ganito, di ba? Ang bongga ng